When I was young and finding my own way, you were there, guiding me each day. Your gentle touch was always near, chasing away every childhood fear. From scraped knees, learning how to bike, to steady hands that show me what life's like. You taught me strength beyond the pain, to rise each time and try again. I think God made a plan, a perfect one. Because when God looked down from up above and planned my life with boundless love, when God chose someone to be my own dad, He picked out the best, the one I've always had, and that's you, Dad.